ஹாய் நீட் ஆஸ்பிரண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. wish you all the best.
Good morning students, and today we will discuss about equilibrium problems, numericals. Here is H2 plus I2 gives rise to 2Hi, and the atomic weight is given hydrogen 1, hydrogen is 1, and iodine is 127, 0.2 grams of hydrogen given, and 2.54 grams of I2 given, 2.56 grams of Hi given are obtained at equilibrium in 1 liter vessel. Calculate Kp and Kc. Okay, now what we have to write first, number of moles formula, you know, number of moles is equal to weight by molecular weight, mass by molecular weight, weight by molecular weight, remember. Now number of moles, calculate first 0.2 grams of hydrogen by 2, that is equal to, that is 0.1. okay, now next 2.54 grams of I2, 2.54 by, what is the 127 plus hydrogen, 128 here given. I2 is given 127 into 2 means 254 here, 254, that is equal to 0.01. this one not 10 ki power minus 2, we can write it 2 zeros, 0.01. now Hi is 2.56 weight. now molecular weight, tell me Hi molecular weight is 128, because hydrogen is 1, iodine is 127, total 128. if it is 128 into 2, 0.02 will come. Understand? 128 into 2, that is 256. Take just 2 digit number na, just 10 ki power minus 2. After you can add. If you confusion this one, 256 write down, 256 by 128 into 10 ki power minus 2. Now here is 128 to 2. How many zeros after 2 zeros? 0.02. that is 0.02 I am given. Next to number of moles is this one. Number of moles, so what are the number of moles of H2? that is 0.1 by, what is the volume, concentration we are writing. Volume is given how much? 1 liter, 1. Here also 0.01 by 1 only, 1 liter vessel, that is the volume. Number of moles by volume, what is the concentration? Moles by volume. Here also 0.02 by 1. Volume, just you have to write volume, 1 volume. Here also volume, write down. Okay, this is the H2 concentration, I2 concentration, Hi concentration. What I am doing initially, number of moles calculated. Number of moles is weight by molecular weight, either mass by molecular mass. that is 0.2 hydrogen, 0.2 molecular weight 2. next 2.54 grams of I2 is 127, I2 that is 254, that is 0.01, this is 0.02. next coming to, what is the formula student? Kp, and now Kc I am writing. Kc is equal to product concentration, Hi concentration power 2 by H2 concentration and I2 concentration expressed in Kc. This is the formula, you know, product concentration by reactant concentration. Now write the product concentration. What is the product concentration, students? Product means 0.02 by volume power 2 by What is the H2 concentration, student? 0.1 by volume. Here also 0.01 by volume. Okay, here is v square means v square, v cancel, because v square na 2v cancel. Now I have to write 0.02 into 0. We can write 0.02 whole square by, that is 0.1 into 0.01. Yes sir, 0.1 into 0.01. Now we can write this one 4 into 10 ki power minus 4, because minus 2 means 10 ki power minus 4. Here is what is happening, 0.1 into 0.2, that is 10 ki power minus 3. Now 10 ki power minus 3 upside is going, what is happening, 4 into 10 ki power minus 1. What is the Kc value? That is equal to 0.4. Understand? So I am taking initially H2 plus I2 V raised to 2Hi. This is the reaction given. Now what are the weights are given? 0.2 grams of hydrogen, 2.54 grams of iodine, 2.56 grams of Hi given, are obtained at equilibrium in 1 liter vessel. Calculate Kp and Kc. This is given. First you have to take number of moles formula. Number of moles formula, weight by molecular weight. Now weight of the hydrogen given 0.2, just 0.2. Molecular weight is I am taking 2. Here iodine is 127, I2 that is 254. 2.54, that is 0.01. These are the number of moles calculated. After concentration I am writing, concentration is equal to number of moles by volume. Now after Kc expression, product concentration by reactant concentration. What is product concentration by reactant concentration? Kc, equilibrium constant in terms of concentration. Here I am taking 0.02 whole square, 0.10. After calculation you will get Kc is equal to 0.4. Now 10 ki power minus 3 is there, it is going to numerator side, upside it is 10 ki power 3. 10 ki power minus 4 plus 10 ki power 3, that is 10 ki power minus 1. We have to write 0.4. Now what is the Kc value got? 0.4. Now Kp is equal to, what is the formula, student? Kp equal to Kc RT power delta Ng. RT power delta Ng. Delta Ng calculate this one. Here is product side 2, reactant side 2. All are gaseous. Now delta Ng is equal to 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. Now 0 means now Kp is equal to Kc. Kp equal to Kc. Even Kp also 0.4 and Kc also 0.4 is the answer. Answer is this one.